Hey everybody, so this is my finished go-to night out look, so keep watching if you want to figure out how I got here. I don't know about you, but I cannot do my makeup with my hair and my face, so I absolutely have to have it up and out of my face. Don't mind me, just picking a song and what playlists I want to listen to. I found this absolutely hilarious once I was editing because I had no idea that I did it backwards when I was doing this. But now it's time for primer, and I'm putting it all over my face and focusing mostly in my T-zone. Now it's time for my foundation. I've been using the Fit Me by Maybelline, and I've liked it. My color doesn't really match my skin right now though, but oh well. I just kind of apply my foundation by putting polka dots all over my face, and then I wet my beauty blender and blend it all in. Now for my concealer, I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape. I put it in all the highlighting zones as well as a triangle underneath my eye. I really need to focus on underneath my eyes because I have really dark purple circles under them. I always like to use setting powder after I use my concealer because it helps to prevent creases, and with my dark circle coverage, I really need to use it. Now for contouring, I actually use a stick foundation by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me line once again. I just use a way darker tone. I put it in all the places for contouring, so by my cheeks, my temples, under my chin, under my lip, and I define my nose. For blush, once again, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me line. Can you tell I like their products yet? And I am just focusing on more the outsides of my face because if I put it too much in the center, it makes me look rounder, and I'm trying to avoid that. I'll always just dust my face with whatever's left over just to add a slight touch of color everywhere else to look more flush. For my eyeliner, I'm using a regular twist-up pencil. I am lining my lower waterline as well as my upper, and then I'm going in with liquid eyeliner on the top and creating a winged eye look. Of course, you gotta let it dry. So one product you'll see me using a lot, which you can see in the bottom right corner of the screen right now, is a big makeup kit that is from Ulta. Joey, my fiance, his mom actually got this for me as a gift, and I love it. I use it. All the colors in there are amazing. It has a little bit of everything. So first I'm starting off with a tan. This color is a really light neutral nude that I'm putting all over my lids, almost all the way up to my eyebrows, just to create a nice clean slate. Then I'm going through with a darker brown and going over my creases in the corner of my eyes. I have to go a bit above my creases because my eyelids are slightly hooded, and this helps create that fuller lash illusion whenever my lashes are done at the end. Then I'm adding a little bit of darker black right over the liquid eyeliner that I had done with the wings, and then everything I'm doing to my upper lids, I'm doing below my eyes to my bottom lids as well. I like to go back through with a brush and just wipe away any of the little specks that fall down on my face, and then I just use whatever's left on my beauty blender and dab it out to make sure my foundation's still intact. Then I'm taking the the lightest color in this kit and putting it right underneath my eyebrows to highlight my brow bones. Next, I'm taking a gold color and popping it right on the center of my eyelids to make my eyes pop and look a little bit brighter and bigger. Now I'm taking an angled brush to put that same gold color on the inner corners of my eyes. This helps open and brighten the eyes, especially if you have closer set eyes. Now it's time to go back over with the liquid eyeliner to make sure it's more defined and dramatic. Now it's time for my brows. I use Benefit's brow pencil. I just kind of make it darker and thicker on the bottom of my brows, and then I use the little spoolie to brush it up. Next, I take the Shape Tape with the angled brush and I outline my brows to make sure they're nice and sharp. Did I ruin it? My cheeks were a little bit too pink for my liking, so I decided to add some bronzer into the mix. Next up are my false lashes. I absolutely love these. I use these in my Chicago girls weekend trip, and I am absolutely obsessed with them. They are the Ardell natural looking lashes, and I will probably not use hardly any other pairs. Now that my makeup is mostly finished, it's time to move on to the hair. And yes, my hair is all the way dry. No, it is not wet. I've been putting joba joba oil in it during this stay-at-home order to try to get it a little healthier and not be as dry on the ends. So I just go ahead and curl all of my hair in layers, normally 3. Then I find the part, and then we will see what I do next. My fiance's mother got this amazing volumizer tool for me. It's basically these mini little crimpers, and it acts just like teasing. You put it in the layer underneath your top layer, so then you can't see the mess that it makes, but then it just volumizes your hair and works like an absolute dream. Then I'm adding some dry shampoo because, like I said, I had oil in my hair and I didn't want it looking quite as wet as what it had been looking. Now it's time to add some touches of highlighter. My face looks better matte and with less shine, but I just put it on my cupid's bow, a little on my nose, and then slightly by my cheeks and eyes. Now it's time for my lips. I actually used a brown eyeliner pencil for my lip liner. Then I used a matte lipstick from Ulta and topped it off with a little bit of gloss in the center of my lips from some random sample that I found. Now to finish it all up, I'm just adding some light misting of hairspray to hold some of the curls. And lastly, I need my outfit change. It wouldn't be a night out without hoops for this girl, so of course I had to add on my lovely trusty hoops. A piece of my hair wasn't falling how I wanted to and it was annoying me, so I decided to bobby pin it, and of course I couldn't find a bobby pin whenever I needed it most, and then I finally found one. Alright guys, so here's my finished look. I could easily wear this any Friday or Saturday going out with Joey or with my girlfriends. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.